Hello, what is your name?
Jocelyn Domingo,
How old are you?
39,
What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
No, single mom.
Do you have kids?
Yes, 4.
How many kids do you have?
4.
How old are they?
22, 19, 18, and 11 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
In Abu Dhabi.
How many years there?
2.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Shatin.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1-6.
How many family member there?
5.
How many children?
1.
How old?
3 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I get up in the morning at 6 a.m. and then prepare the foods for breakfast, and then after that I cleaning the house. After the cleaning the house, prepare the lunch, and then dinner at 6 p.m. And then after that, when I finish dinner, I taking the dog out, and then after that I finish all the cleaning on the kitchen. So
Okay, so do you go market?
no, yes, with mama.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
6 p.m.
What time they eat?
7,
It's okay. So what time you go to bed?
8 or 9.
Okay, thank you so much.